Hey Cardano holder, this is warning for all holders of Cardano coin because my brother Cardano is completely fails down and absolutely if holders are doing very big mistakes. So exactly my friend, I make this special video for all of you to don't do this mistake and be safe from the lost. As you can see at this time my friend, the Cardano update. So this time you can see here the last 1 hour update minus 0.39% down, and last 24 hour minus 5.99%, last 7 days minus 5.77% down. So it's mean to the price is completely decreasing now. Absolutely this is warning because the price come to my friend 1.9, I think 2 USD dollar. They already hit it from last month, so therefore the price came to 2 USD dollar to 1.4 USD dollar. So it's mean to they lost my friend half, something like half USD dollar my friend. They they will lost now. So just in only my friend in a few days, especially in 2 weeks my brother. So what's the main reason and what's the price prediction, everything I will do, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Let's come out my friends for the main point. This time you can see my friend, this chart is completely gonna show you my brothers to Cardano will wake up after a very long time, especially in last days. This is last 7 days chart my brother. So this time if you can see my friend, after a fails, you can see here they take a very huge jump now and the arrows is completely going the moon now. So this time you can see here just in only my friend in a few days they will hit 1.6 USD dollar. But at the same time if you can see my friend, the current price is 1.4 USD dollar. So it's mean my friend, you can see here this time you can see here the level average level is come here. So this time you can see here the price is coming to 1.4 USD dollar. So if you can see my brother, this time after this jump if you can see my friend, the price come down. So just in only my friend, they are you lost my friend, I think half USD dollar just in only my friend in a few weeks my friend. You can spend 2 weeks my friend ago now to they will lost now. But you can see my friend 0.2 my friend USD dollar is they lost just in only in a 2 or 3 days my brother. So it's mean to Cardano is completely in the lost. So what we do holder, if you know my friend, there is more chances they will moving upward because my brother, you know, after a fails, you can see after this fails they take a jump now. The direction is starting moving upward now, and if you can see my friend, after this jump they fails down. So it's mean to every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So absolutely my friend, this is reality. You can see my friend as on the screen, and I know my brothers too, after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So it's a good news for all holder to they will take a very huge jump now, good jump as soon my brother. So you need to hold it, and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time to you invest now. So go invest and hold it, don't sell it, otherwise you completely in the loss now. So absolutely my friend, I will tell you to hold it, so hold it. And I hope my friend, I will give you guarantee to if you follow ABS Tech channel, then you are never lost my brother. So just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS Tech channel will daily guide you my brother, daily best now. So thanks for watching holder, please like this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.